Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Joe here, and we are back again with another video. And today we are going to show you the OTune. This is a microphone, a karaoke microphone, and it is also a Bluetooth speaker. Let's open up this inside. So here's what's inside the box. This is his own carrying case, the microphone. Oh, this is not included here. My wife is using this to, when he sing, put that there. But this is not included, it's a sock. And 2 wire here for charging. And this wire is going to fit here. And then this is going to go to your cell phone headphone jack there, and then you're good to go sing. Also, it has a manual. It is pretty straightforward, and I'm going to show you the buttons. Here is the charging port, and this is for, it says here in the manual that this port, I hope you can see that port, this one here, it's for recording. You can see it there, this audio record cable. This is for the audio record cable, they said, but I don't know if you can record. You can't record here through the cell phone. Maybe my cell phone is not fit or not compatible with this here. And also it has a OTune app, but when I scan this, there is no app that I can download, so that's a boomer. Also, be careful, guys, it has something inside that is not properly attached. I don't know if you can hear that. It's clinking inside. The build of this microphone is plastic, and the color is gold. It's nicely finished with a paint. And here's the speaker. We are going to test it, the microphone here. Here's the power button. When you turn it on, there, it's going to light. The echo adjust up and down, the volume. And I'm going to sing for you guys to hear the record, to hear what this microphone sound. Okay, guys, now we are going to test this OTune microphone, Bluetooth microphone, and also a speaker. We're going to use my cell phone. We're going to connect to Bluetooth. First, let's turn on the microphone. There, it's turned on, and we are going to connect it to the Bluetooth of my microphone, of my cell phone, I mean. The name is K-068. Okay, let's connect. There, it's connected. Now we are going to use the app We Sing. There, it's coming up here. Just low sound. Okay, let's start. To see you when I wake up is a gift I didn't think could be real. Same as I do, it's a threefold utopian dream. You do something to me that I can't explain. So would I be out of line if I said I'm you had an idea, this is the mic sounds like. We're going to adjust the echo to full. Hello, that's the fullest of the echo. You can also remove the echo. Hello, no, there's no echo now. I hope you have an idea how it sounds like without an echo. Also, here's a volume. Hello, sound check. Now, we are going to try to connect this into the cell phone using this cord here. Not via Bluetooth, okay? Let's turn off the Bluetooth of my cell phone. And we're going to connect this here. This one goes here. And the other end goes to the cell phone like that. Okay? Now we are going to sing another song.
When I was a young boy, my father took me into the city to see a marching band. He said, son, when you grow up, will you be the savior of the broken, the beaten, and the down? He said, will you defeat them, your demons, and all the non-believers, the plans that they have made? Because one day I leave you a pattern to leave you in the summer to join the black
Let's end it there. It's enough. Okay, there you have it, guys. It's a very cheap microphone, Bluetooth microphone, also a speaker, and it comes with this casing here. Great deal. You will not get wrong about that, about this product. Very nice in his price range. Very nice. I have to remove the echo. Very nice on the price it gave. It's almost 500 pesos. I don't know how to convert that in dollar, but that's the price. It comes with this 2 wire. So there you have it, guys. The OTune microphone. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. This is Joe here. Once again, catch up with you guys later on my next video. Thank you.